Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can scan a QR code from photos in your iPhone. First thing you need to do is you cannot download the photo. Do not save it to phone. For some reason when you do that, it does not work. So what you need to do is take a screenshot. You have to go inside your photos or gallery. Click on that image and what you need to do is long press on it and it should say the option for you open link. So you want to click on that, and for some reason if that does not work for you either, what you need to do is go to your app store and download this app called QR code scanner. Search for it and you see this one, QR and barcode scanner by Gamma Play. You want to download this one, and once it's downloaded you head over inside the app and then you click on this gallery option and then you click on your photos, and from there it will also manually scan the image for you, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.